learning about the short vowel E, and that the short vowel E is Eddie Elephant, and that Eddie Elephant goes eh, eh, eh. And we have talked about listening for short E word patterns to help us write new words. Well, something else that readers do is that they look for word patterns they know to help them read new words. And today we're going to look at some short E word patterns to help us read words. The short E patterns that we're going to look at are est, ek, and l. Now, in ek, that word pattern I want you to remember, ak, ik, ak, and uck. CK at the end of words makes one sound, the k sound. It's not C by itself or K by itself. It makes one sound. Now, in a word pattern like est, the ST, we hear both consonants. It's a consonant blend at the end. But with CK, it just makes one sound. So let's go ahead and practice looking for parts to help us read new words. So if I come to my reading and I see this word, I see the est word pattern. So I'm going to read it as est, rest, and I'm going to sort it under est. The next word that I'm going to look for parts in is this. I see the L word pattern. So I'm going to read this as tell, and I'm going to sort it under L. The next word, I see the ek word family. So I'm going to read this as deck. This next word also has the ek word family. So I'm going to read it as ek, neck, and I'm going to sort it under ek. This next word that I'm going to practice looking for parts for, I see the word part or word family, L. So I'm going to read it as b-l, bell, and I'm going to sort it under L. This next word also has the L word family or word part, and I'm going to read it as f-l, fell, and I'm going to sort it under L. This next word that I'm going to look for parts for has ek. So I'm going to read it as ek, peck, and I'm going to sort it under ek. This next word that I'm going to look for parts in, I can see est. So I'm going to read it as est, pest, and sort it under est. This last word that I'm going to look for parts for has the est word pattern again. So I'm going to read it as est, nest, and I'm going to sort it under est. And then when I get done with my sort, I'm going to find a partner and read the words to them. Est, rest, pest, nest, ek, deck, neck, peck, l, tell, bell, fell. So one of the things that you can do as a reader is when you come to a word you don't know, you can look for parts to help you read new words.